Students, I think, should come more and more to HR in large numbers, and the course, especially because the courses that we offer are one of the best and comparable and competitive with the premier institutes of India. We especially look at XLRI when it comes to HR, and if you compare their course outline, you will see a lot of similarities in the sense that we have taken the positives because they are supposed to be the best as far as HR is concerned. So you will find courses like competency mapping, where we talk about and teach about assessment centers, we talk about in-basket games. There is a lot of experiential learning in competency mapping. We offer you performance management, where we talk about career development, we talk about performance appraisals, we talk about how to develop your career when it plateaus and what should you do when it plateaus. We talk about compensation and benefits. In that you would very clearly understand how you should read the salary slip that comes to you, what it means, what CTC means, what will be your net income. We'll talk about executive compensation. You will talk about the various benefits our country, our nation offers, and how to separate the wheat from the chaff. We also offer organizational change and management, which would give you a look at consulting in management, and especially how to deal with changes in various aspects. We are planning to introduce transactional analysis and NLP that will help you in recruitment and selection in future in the HR domain. As far as our faculty members are concerned, we have people with various backgrounds and diversity. We have people from IIT Kharagpur, we have people from XLRI, we have people from ICFI Business School. We are all here to get you in large numbers, to disseminate knowledge and information that is required for your career development. Wish you all the best and hope you come to IMT.